Hello friends, welcome to Prodhutra channel. In today's video, let's see about the review on the product. Daikin 1.8 tone 5-star inverter split AC. Who in the world doesn't want to spend their summers without the AC? The answer to this question is no one, because when you come home from the office or vice versa in summers, all you need is good AC with multiple abilities to fight the scorching heat. When the summers are near, it's going to be hot. And that time you'll have your room heat up like an oven. And at that time an invention can help you regarding the same. An AC, and that too a Daikin AC. There are many ACs available in the market. But as always, we need to be blessed with the best and choose our style of comfort. Daikin 5-star inverter split AC is all you want to spend your summers excitedly at your home without even facing the problems of summer heat. So, the question that arises here is, what is Daikin AC and why should you buy it? Daikin AC is an AC that takes your satisfaction level during summers at a very promising juncture. It has an inconsistent velocity compressor that diversifies the energy relying upon the heat volume. It's more productive than any other air conditioner in the market and has the lowest noise undertaking. Daikin ACs has a split type, 5-star energy rating, which is absolutely the best you are looking for. It had an auto restart feature facility so that you can help restore the last setting after a power break, and remote control with it. You can control the temperature at your convenience, and the AC also contains an antimicrobial filter. It truly stands out for the users and offers them an incredible experience. Now let's see the feature of this AC. The first feature is power. The power requirement for this AC is 230 or 50 Hz or 1 pH. The power consumption is full or half. Min to max 1665 by 580, 580165. The dimensions of this AC is: the indoor size of Daikin AC width into depth into height is 885 mm into 229 mm into 298 mm. The indoor weight of Daikin AC is 11 kg, which is a required weight. The outdoor weight width into depth into height is 845 mm into 300 mm into 595 mm. Additional features of the product is: it has an ICR of 4.70 WW. The airflow rate in this AC is 16.3 m3 per minute. It is a 4-way swing AC so that you can enjoy cooling with air condition at every corner of your room without any problems, and the powerful airflow of dual flats. Why should you buy a 5-star AC rather than a 3-star AC? To withstand the summer sickness without halting your body into exertion, buying a 5-star AC is the best you can do. ACs can increase your electricity ordinance, so you need to buy an AC with a reasonable star mark so that you can win against the heat. Daikin 1.8 tone AC is an excellent AC with cool air conditioning. However, the prices are high in comparison to the other ACs, but you purchase these things at once, so why not a favorable one? Spending on Daikin AC is the nicest you can expend your cash at. It will always work in your favor. Now let's get into the part of pros and cons of Daikin AC. Pros of Daikin ACs. It has good air conditioning, econo mode, sleep mode, intelligent eye, patented streamer discharge, and power chill operation. Cons of Daikin ACs. It is expensive. They lack window air conditioners. These ACs periodically holds extra time in cooling up. Parts of Daikin air conditioners are very high, which makes them very reliable in any circumstance. It can prove you effective work in terms of cooling and other aspects, and can work well if taken care of the installation properly. Another point is that it has gotten very amazing reviews from the customers and can serve you for a long time. So, why not buy a Daikin AC if looking out for durability? Daikin air conditioners are very easy to use, so anyone can use them without difficulty. You don't need to do anything with it because it has an automatic function that acts well for you. And it can also adjust the temperature on its own. The specifications general of this product are 1 AC unit, operating modes, econo modes, color of the product is white, capacity in tones is 1.8 tone, brand of the product is Daikin. It has a condenser coil made up of copper, and the cooling capacity is 6000 watts. The star rating is 3-star B rating. The name of the AC's model is FTKL6016U RKL60TV16U. It has a remote control. The B rating year is 2017. The product type is inverter. The airflow rate of this product is 16.3 cmm. The services provided are demo details, installation, and demo installation details. The seller will look after the installation and demo at the time of your convenience from a brand authorized service engineer. Technician visit details offered is authorized service engineer will be available. Other installation details: pack dimensions for indoor in width into height into depth is 885 mm into 298 mm into 229 mm. Other dimensions of this product is: the indoor unit package has a dimension of 355 into 1010 into 390 mm. The indoor unit weight is 16 kilograms. Outdoor unit dimensions in width x height x depth is 845 mm x 595 mm x 300 mm. The outdoor unit weight is 43 kilograms. It has convenience features: auto restart, timer, quiet and sleep mode. It has an additional features, which is the ICR rank breaker size with 20 am. This product has 1 year warranty with on-site service. Performance features: the indoor noise level for high is 47 decibels and for low is 38 decibels. The ICR is 3.65 watts per watt. Other performance features are its cooling capacity, max with 20500 and minimum with 8500. The power features are: the power requirement is AC to 2240 V, 5 Hz. The power consumption is 2000 watts. The operating current is 8.8 A. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.